Let me say something uncomfortable. Revenue is the most dangerous comfort a founder can have. And why? Because revenue makes you feel safe. But the cash flow quietly tells you a different story. I'm not saying this as a theory. I'm saying this as someone who is running a real operating company with real team, real pressure, and real payrolls. Hi, my name is Sarita. I'm the co-founder director Orange Star Logistics, and we are into international shipping. And in this video, we will decode that revenue is just an incomplete truth. So in this section of the video, we will decode why revenue confuses the founder. So let's start with clarity. Revenue is not the lie, but just an incomplete truth. It just answers one question: how much business did you do? But it doesn't answer when did the money come in? How much stress did it take to earn? What pressure it created on the system? And this is where we as a founder get misled. So when the revenue grows, the dashboard looks impressive, team looks busy, and business looks very much alive. But that's not stability. Revenue hides the problem and the cash flow exposes them. So the revenue hides your poor pricing decisions, low quality customers, or the long credit cycles, and cash flow exposes them without mercy. That is why many founders looks like confident on paper but anxious in real life. So now let's talk about behavioral damage of revenue. So when the revenue comes in, founders relax too early, delay the hard decisions, justify weak discipline. You start hearing thoughts like margins will improve later, let's grow first and fix later, we can manage this client for now. And this is not strategy, this is emotional comfort. So the revenue creates psychological safety, and psychological safety without discipline is a dangerous spot. Now I want to give you a framework which I personally use to evaluate the business health. You can call it founder cash flow clarity formula. So here it is: cash clarity is equal to margin into velocity minus fixed cost load. So let me break this down simply for you. So margin is not the revenue. Margin is the quality of revenue. So it answers the questions: how much breathing space this business have? Low margins means complete stress, low quality of customer, or poor pricing decisions. So if the margin is weak, the growth multiplies the pain. So velocity here means how fast the cash comes back to you, how fast you sell, how fast you deliver, and how fast the money comes back to you. And velocity is affected by your credit discipline, billing, disputes if any. And fixed cost load, it means that how much fixed cost you have per month, be it your payrolls, be it your rent, be it your any other expenses, operating expenses that you need for your business on a monthly basis. So fixed cost does not wait for the revenue, it demands the cash right on time. So putting it all together, if the margin is weak and load is high and the velocity is slow, business may look successful, but it will feel suffocating. And that's the revenue trap. So let me ground this in reality. So in my company at Orange Star Logistics, there was a phase where revenue looked very healthy, shipments were moving, teams were engaged. Externally, everything was looking stable, but internally signals were different. The cash flow was low because margins were thin, fixed costs were committed, and our stress was rising because of it. So business was scaling, but the discipline was missing. So we started focusing on client quality. We started focusing on our credit controls, wherein we had clients going up to 90 days or 100 days. We reduced it to 45 to 60 days, and we are still trying to bring it to 30 days, under 30 days. We brought pricing discipline in place. All this has resulted in the cash collection on time, which reduces our cash flow pressure. So now we are ready to scale smoothly with all the discipline in place. So let me ask you a few direct questions to assess your own business. So is your business profitable on Excel? Is your growth creating clarity, or it is bringing in chaos? Is your revenue bringing in complexity or the confidence? Do you review your cash flow proactively or once when the tension rises? So if your growth causing you anxiety, then it's not a growth, it is misalignment. So let me leave you with this thought: build a system that respects the cash but not the vanity metrics.